Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you how I make this delicious mango lemon cheesecake. My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video. Step 1. To make the crust, put 10 peanut butter cream cookies into a food processor. 1 teaspoon of almond butter. Blend it. Crush it into fine pieces. Then transfer it to a cake pan. Distribute the crumbs evenly and press them down. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Step 2. Soak 1 cup of raw cashews in water for at least 3 hours or overnight. Add them into a blender. Add 1 cup of coconut milk from a can. Half a cup of homemade soy yogurt. You can find the recipe on my channel. I put the link in the description. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Add lemon zest. Squeeze juice from 2 lemons. Then add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend everything together until it's smooth. Pour half a cup of water into a pan. 1 teaspoon of agar-agar. Constantly stir it to bring it to a boil and continue to stir it for 1 minute. While it's still hot, add it to the cream. Mix it. Pour it over the crust. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Step 3. Add 1.5 cup of fresh mangoes to a blender. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Blend it. Pour half a cup of water into a pan. 1 teaspoon of agar-agar. Constantly stir it to bring it to a boil and continue to stir it for 1 minute. While it's still hot, add it to the mixture. Pour it on a top. Decorate it with thin slices of lemon. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Now our delicious cake is ready. It's time to serve. Look how beautiful it looks. It's very soft, delicate and delicious. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.